Today I'm going to teach you how to install Header Footer Builder for Elementor. This plugin is incredibly useful if you want to create custom headers and footers for your WordPress site using Elementor's drag and drop interface, giving you complete control over these essential design elements. First, you'll need to log into your WordPress admin dashboard. Simply open your web browser and navigate to your website's admin area, typically found by adding /wp-admin to your domain name. Enter your username and password to access the back end of your site. This is where all the magic happens and where you'll manage your plugins and overall site functionality. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the left sidebar where you'll find all your WordPress menu options. Look for the section labeled Plugins and hover over it. A submenu will appear with several options. From here, click on Add Plugin. This takes you to the plugin repository where you can search for and install thousands of plugins to extend your site's capabilities. Now you'll see a search field in the top right corner of the page. Click on it and type in Header Footer Builder for Elementor. As you type, WordPress will automatically start filtering through available plugins to match your search. This saves you time from scrolling through countless options and helps you find exactly what you need quickly. Within moments, you should see the Header Footer Builder for Elementor plugin appear in the search results. It's usually one of the top results given its popularity. Once you've located it, you'll notice an Install Now button right on the plugin card. Go ahead and click on Install Now. WordPress will immediately begin downloading and installing the plugin files to your server. This process typically takes just a few seconds depending on your internet connection and server speed. After the installation completes, you'll see the Install Now button transform into an Activate button. This is an important step because installing a plugin doesn't automatically make it functional on your site. Click on Activate to enable the plugin. Once activated, the Header Footer Builder for Elementor will integrate with your WordPress installation and be ready to use with Elementor. And there you have it, you've successfully installed and activated the Header Footer Builder for Elementor plugin. You can now start creating beautiful custom headers and footers that will elevate your website's design and user experience. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.